with Python by using API functions. And for these API functions, we are using this editor, we are using this IDE, that is PyCharm. The very powerful features of PyCharm is there. It is an intelligent Python code editor, supports for CoffeeScript, JavaScript, CSS and TypeScript. Provide smart search to jump any file, symbols or class. Smart code navigation. It offers quick and safe refactoring of code. It allows you to access PostgreSQL, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server and many other databases from IDE. Like that. It's very important. It's very smart. Just don't think it works as a text pad in Java. Never. Don't think in this way. Because when we work with PyCharm, then number of intelligent features will browsed by that particular PyCharm, and that's why we are using PyCharm. Second editor is there, that is Spider. Spider is also there. This is the Spider. So features are common, but it is not so intelligent than PyCharm. All the functions are same, like that. Who can integrate with? I already tell you, API is already working in that PyCharm. But here some specific names are mentioned by Spider, that is Matplotlib, SciPy, NumPy, Pandas, Cython, IPython, SymPy, other open source softwares, like that. यात नावं मेन्शन केलेली आहेत, ती what Spider integrated and how can Spider link with this software and Python, and that's why Spider who are work with such a type of SciPy, NumPy, Pandas specially, then they can use Spider. Features of Spiders are also there. Next one is there, is very important again, ideally. This is integrated development and learning environment. Is very important. Default editor comes from Python. One default editor is already come with Python, that is ideally. This is of default by Python. And whenever you are the beginner, then it helps you. म्हणजे नावच त्याचं integrated development and learning environment आहे. When we become a master of Python, then you can directly use PyCharm. But for working one by one command, you must work with the ideally. This is the PyCharm default editor, and you can use with PyCharm default editor, like that. Then Sublime Text 3 is there. Sublime is the editor. You can work with Sublime Text 3 is there. Some features are there. Visual Studio Code is one of the editor which can use in Python. Visual Studio Code. Features of Visual Studio Codes are there. Atom is there. This is also useful for programmer. Jupyter is there. Is the tool for people who have just started with data science. Is very important. So actually this is not the interpreter. कोणीतरी Jupyter मला सांगितलं होतं. This is what IDE. Jupyter is IDE, and this is now it becomes very popular because of Jupyter is working with data science projects, and nowadays very fast growing branch is data science, and that's why such a type of users may install Jupyter and work with Jupyter, like that. So all these are there. PyDev is there, Thorny is there, Wing is there, like that. These are number of. If you have number of questions, you can ask me, because Python is very new for you or me also, because just before 3 weeks this version was released, before just 3 weeks, and that's why we cannot able to very much information of that new version. It is very new for us, but the question already common and you must ask, because this is the very new inning for all of you, because of nowadays every software agencies are calling you and work and told you and ask you, can you able to work from home on Python projects, like that. And such a type of so many students are joining